guys! Magandang umaga! Good morning sa inyong lahat dyan! Welcome to my another personal vlog! So in this day, this is my 5th day of workout routine. So in the 5th day guys, I don't have a lot of video when I am jogging, when I am walking, because in this day, I wanna show you guys how beautiful the surrounding. Wow, the surrounding, how beautiful nature we have here in our place. Now, every morning, it's very refreshing for us to do walking and jogging. As you can see, guys, no? Nature. Yeah, fresh air. Yeah, so refreshing. So I'm so proud to share with you guys our place also. I wanna shout out to all farmers out there. No, hand salute to you, sir. Yeah, because of all our farmers, no, without them, we don't have any food.
Ito pa ang ganda. The flowers. Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah.
Simple lang ang pahinga, no?
Oh.
Simple lang ang pahinga.
Yan.
Pa-landscape to.
Maganda yan sa landscape. Ano kaya itanim niya, no?
Parang ano din ito eh.
Diba?
Okay. Simple lang lahat.
What I learned this morning, guys, is you need to also to appreciate and to love that what you have right now. And aside from that, I learned also that it's very refreshing when you do workout in outdoor during morning than afternoon. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you guys on my next workout routine. Bye-bye and have a wonderful day.